So the leak is currently squirting onto the ground. Right there, a pinhole. Here we go. That wasn't in there very well. Let's see if we can cut a little section out of this pipe without doing too much damage. Put a little right in here, if you know what I'm saying. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, would you stop flushing the toilets up there, people? We're gonna deburr the edges now. The hole is here, so it's gonna slip on. The seal will go past the hole, over to there, like that. Nope, that's not gonna work. Yeah, well, if I cut off this pipe right about here, and then I can slip it back just a little bit, and that's where it'll make its home, right there. So let's do that. Okay, got it. Oh yeah, that does not want to go. Come on, why ain't you going? Not cool. Take that. Come on. Come on now. That's it. That's it. Now we get this one in. Now, in order to move this back that direction, we have to push this, depress this black thing here with this blue thing here. Those are the technical terms. When this black thing gets pushed in, it releases all the teeth, which is really hard to do actually. And then once it is released, this will move that way. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. And we'll know if it's not on all the way, because when they turn water on, it'll still leak. Yeah. Beep. 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 They didn't design this house so you could sit straight up in the crawl space. I don't know why. Nope. Oh, yeah! I think we did it. By the powers vested in me, you are now fixed. Let's pop that puppy off of there just so we look a little more legitimatory. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put these back where they go. We don't want the pipes to fall down. Okay, cool. We're in. We're locked, we're loaded. Thanks for watching. See you next time.